lateral extension. Inhale, coming back to the center, repeating this. Exhale, leaning towards the left. Inhale, center, lean to the right. One more round, the last one. Inhale, center, exhale, dropping to the left. Inhaling, center, exhale, extend the left side. Inhale and come back, exhale, Namaskara to the heart center. Starting with the Surya Namaskar, feet together. Okay? Surya Namaskar. Namaskara, the first position, navel tucked in, roll the shoulders. Raise your both the hands higher to the ceiling. First, second asana, Hasta Uttanasana. Shift the chest forward, navel forward. Take a back bending either in a cactus hand or stretched hands. Anything is fine. Exhaling, extending the hands forward, go down, release the hands down, place it on the brick. Hold, still the body. Lengthen your right leg back as you inhale, Ashwa Sanchalan. Left foot step back, Dandasana. Shoulder and wrist in one straight line. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground, Ashtanga Namaskar. Slide forward to Bhujangasana, inhale, elbows are bent. Parvatasana, exhale. Tailbone is higher, the spinal cord is towards the floor, the tailbone is up, erect spine, no rounding, no rounding. Look forward, get your right foot forward in front of you, between the bricks or between your hands. Exhaling, left foot forward, Padahastasana. Drop the head below the knee as you exhale. Extend the hands forward, inhaling, Hasta Uttanasana, draw the circle, semicircle. Exhaling, the another semicircle, folding forward, Padahastasana. Left foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalan. Right foot step back, holding in Dandasana, shoulder wrist in one straight line. Navel engaged, engaged navel. Do not allow the lower back to go down. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground, Ashtanga Namaskara. Sliding forward to Bhujangasana, inhale. Elbows are bent. Press the root of the palm. Tuck the toes, raise the tailbone up in Parvatasana as you exhale. Holding for 5, Ujjayi breathing, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward, left foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right foot step forward, Padahastasana as you exhale. Sink down, head below the knee. Respect the limitation of the lower back. If you have any stiffness at your back, you can bend the knees. Extend your both hands forward. Lift up, raise it high to the ceiling and extend back, Namaskara as you exhale. This is one round of Surya Namaskar. We'll repeat this position or this sequence for another 2 more sets. Hasta Uttanasana, inhale and arch. Padahastasana, exhale and fold forward. Right foot step back to Ashwa Sanchalan. Hold in Dandasana. Exhale Ashtanga. Bhujanga, inhale. Parvatasana, exhale. Ashwa Sanchalan, right foot, inhale. Left foot, Padahastasana. Hastottanasana, inhale. Padahastasana, exhale. Ashwa Sanchalan, left foot back. Hold Dandasana. Exhale Ashtanga. Bhujanga, inhale. Parvatasana, exhale. Left foot Ashwa Sanchalan. Right foot Padahastasana. Hastottanasana, inhale and arch. Namaskara, exhale. Third, Hastottanasana. Padahastasana. Ashwa Sanchalan. hold Dandasan, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga inhale, Parvatasana exhale, right foot Ashwasanchalan, left foot Padahastasana, Hastottanasana, Padahastasana, Ashwasanchalan left, hold Dandasan, exhale Ashtanga, Bhujanga inhale, Parvatasana exhale, left foot Ashwasanchalan, right foot Padahastasana, Hastottanasana, Namaskara. Bend the right leg. We are not taking any pause because you have done only the 3 sets of Surya Namaskar. So, bending your right leg, straighten the right knee up. Take your both the hands behind, interlace the fingers and hold this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. This class is for intermediate students who are the practitioners of yoga from at least 3 months. From here, point the toes down and shift the leg back, lengthening the leg back to fold forward. 1. The leg is moving back, the hands are moving upward, the left leg is straight and strong. 2, 3, 4, 5. Releasing both the hands down to Ashwasanchalan and get back into Dandasana. 1. Hold in Dandasana. 2. Right leg up. Hold in Dandasana. In Dandasana, right leg is up. Right foot parallel to the floor. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand down and right hand up. Left hand down. Left hand down, left hand down. Okay. Drop your both the knees. Drop your both the knees down. Cat and cow position. Inhale, open the chest. Open the chest. Exhale, round the spine. Inhaling, opening the chest. Exhaling, rounding the spine. Inhaling, open the chest. Exhale, Parvatasana. Tuck the toes, reach up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the knees, look forward and jump forward. Inhale. Standing upright, change the leg. So your right leg is down. Engage the right leg, make a pillar of it before you raise your left. Raise the left leg up, kick the heel, interlace the fingers. Stretch outward and back, shoulder blade together, stretching out. Now from here, point the toes, shift your leg back, shift the trunk forward, leg back, bend your knee, the standing knee softly and hold. 1, 2, 3,